Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School Hiswa. I am going to start subject history of standard 6, and this is fourth video lecture on the topic from gathering to growing food. Dear students, as we have discussed about earlier about the different sites which we have seen that how the different archaeologists which have find out the different sites from where they could uh, know about the domestication from the peoples, and they also know about the how they were obtain themselves to consume their life. Now we are going to discuss about the closer look living and dying in Mehergarh. As the Mehergarh, which is the part in Rajasthan and some part is in Pakistan, which is western northwestern part of India. In this site we have found that there was the fertile land. As due to the fertile land there were the important route through which the peoples they were passing to toward the Iran, which is the Middle East countries in the world map. You will see here that it was the one of the place where the barley and the wheat which was possibly grown there. As the earlier times people they used to grown here due to the fertile land which was found here, and ever it was seen there that the rearing of the sheep and goat was also found. Now due to the taming of the animals, the bones has also found there, like the bone of the deer and pig and sheep as well as the goat as also found there, because these were the animals which were being domesticated by the peoples which used to reside there. Now you will find out that some of the rectangular house which have been found there, where it was divided into the four rooms. Each rooms were used for the particular purpose, like storing the seeds, storing the grains, and some part of the room it was also for buried the dead bodies. Wherever we can also told it according to the evidences which were found there that the peoples who used to ever die and the relatives as and their friends and whatever, if the died people who used to love the animals or any object is very favorite to him, then the same object or the same animals or the same person they was also buried with them, because the peoples they also assume that those people they will take the rebirth and further use those things. So this type of system, or you can say the rituals, it was also performing at that time. One of the evidences it was given in the Mehergarh. Now the some of the beliefs there is also that they may be get alive after the death. This type of rituals was found there. As the burials, it means the dug which have been dig out for the dead person, those are known as the burials. So those burials were usually for the person whoever used to dead, and it was also assumed that they will took the rebirth and use these things in their next world. So this next is about what was the else where which was happening at the same time in different part of the world. We'll see here that a cave painting which was found in France. See, the France, you will find out in your world atlas, you will see here that the painting which were found in France, it was discovered basically by the four children about 100 years ago, and it was made between the 20,000 years ago and 10,000 years ago, and the many of animals was painted there. It means the pictures they are found, this shows that they were known with these animals. It means they were uh, introduced with these animals like the horse, oryx, and older wild or cattle, bison you can say, the ox, the wild ox, woolly rhinoceros, reindeer and bear. These were painted in a bright color, from where we ever used to know that these type of animal were also found there, and they ever used to color it with the help of the iron and charcoal. So we can assume here with the end of this chapter that they ever started their life from hunting and gathering, and now they are leading to a settled life with the help of the caves, with the help of the stone and tools, with the help of the fire. These all things improve their lifestyle and just completed their life. Next, one of elsewhere is also given here about the Neolithic site. As I have told you earlier, the Stone Age, it was basically divided into the three types: the Paleolithic, the Mesolithic, and the Neolithic. So Neolithic, it means those incidents which have been taken place after 10,000 years ago. Then one of these site also found in Turkey, and this site was considered as a Neolithic because probably it was found after 10,000 years ago. And the such cattles like the hook which was found in Turkey, and several things were also brought from great distance: flint from Syria and cowries from Red Seas and shells from the Mediterranean seas. It means these were the objects which have been brought from different part of the world, and these all were used in the settlement. See, there it means the peoples, they have aware that from where we could get the best part of those things, and they ever used to settle their life. Okay, dear students, read the paragraph carefully and keep watching. Thank you.